behind you that, yeah, I'm telling you.
Girl Angelina, she's a princess.
Whoa, hey, how you doing?
Do you know who I am?
You fucking bitch.
Oh, a penny.
Mild.
When she was ready, and by ready I mean a badass sling machine, she moves back to Gotham, starts working on that kill list.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? They call me. They call me. They call me Huntress. Okay, I feel like I've just walked in on something I don't give two shits about. This guy's dead, so I'm just gonna get out of your hair, cool? They call me
Helena Bertinelli.
For fuck's sake! I killed Galante. I killed his firing squad. I killed Victor Zsasz. And now I'm done.
What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues! What?
You are so cool.
I know, great taco spot.
Shit, I'm out! Need a ride? I agree completely, so I'll do that as well.
Thank you.
Right.
Whoa! You stole my fucking car! What?
I'm sorry.
I know what you're thinking. We got the secret bank codes off the diamond, and Huntress got her family, and she's using it to fund a little crime-fighting outfit. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders.